Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. Now I just did a call trade in this market because obviously we are having a fake breakout of this uptrend. So we had an uptrend here, we had a loss in momentum, we have a pullback, and the uptrend is going to continue, and this is why I did a call trade there. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, after the call trade, I don't know how the selling pressure is here, but okay, I know what to do now. Okay. If it comes down, yes, this is what I wanted to do. So after the call trade, I am doing another call trade to continue the uptrend, to continue the pullback, because like I said, we have an uptrend. The pullback could not happen here because of the strong momentum. So we had the loss in momentum first, then we had the pullback. Now, after the pullback, what did we see? A fake breakout. So this is how you do a very good pullback trade. Why am I doing it here? Why am I doing this pullback trade here? Because if you come back, you see that the first form of buying pressure happened at this same place in the market. So when the market comes back to this same place, what do? We do a call trade. So let's wait and see. Okay, that was very weak. That was a very weak candle. Now with a very weak candle like this, what you expect now is what? A downtrend. But I'm not going to do a put. I'm going to wait for this candle to come down and fail. When it fails to make a red candle, then I'll call this the failure strategy. And you know, as usual, if you are old to this channel, you know that the failure strategy goes in a way that you see this kind of two candlestick that suggests a reversal. You don't go into it immediately. What you do is to wait for it to fail and then you continue with the trend, trapping those who went into this trade. But if not, if it's not a reversal, if it's a true reversal, we just have to do what? To continue with the trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a true reversal pattern, so let's wait and see what is going to happen. Okay. Yes, so I did a put trade so that we can continue the trend, because the 20 EMA, which is this yellow line here, as you can see, it acted as a resistance to trigger price in the downward direction. This is a very fast trade, so let's see how it goes. And now, as you can see, the 20 EMA and the 20 SMA, which is this yellow and this green line, as you can see, they are intersecting. That's why I tell people, you see the yellow line, 20 EMA here, and the 20 SMA, which is at this point I used a green line. You can see that they are intersecting, and from there you can you see the price action? These are all suggesting a downward trade. Look at it here. You see, they are all suggesting a downward trade. So if you haven't, please, I advise you to get this ebook. It is very important. When you get this ebook, you're not going to regret it. You understand? You are not going to regret it. Get this ebook. The link to get this ebook, the complete one of this ebook, is at the description of this video and every other video. You can contact me on WhatsApp and I'm going to let you know how you can get it from me. So if this is your first time, please, if you look closely, we have 497 subscribers. So with this, you can easily become one of those people who took this channel to 500 subscribers when it needed it the most. So until next time, please do wait to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I wish you a great trading day. So bye bye.